this one is different because it doesn't just hit home. It is home.
Oh.
Diba? So,
Bakit sa ito, Shabi?
That's microphone.
Pwede bang standing ovation?
so bitaw, kasi tanang ka na, no, buko na sige para tawa na rin kayo. This is the unexpected one, kanang, so tanang events yung mong organize, kani siya, collectively, pagpapang kukusalan ba, si Easy ka, paano na siya sa, na ako na kaya imagination mga ka na dapat natin, you could have done better. Then one time, we're frustrated na siya ko, and then si Isa ka, calm down. Ako ka na ka-story ka, di ba? Pero more ito pa na, calm down, kaya na, ano ba, we could have done, for first timers, this one was, you know, sobrang, kapag nag-isip bang, wala kong kailangan madungo ka na kurasta kay, kami nag-yun, hindi ka confetti yung nag-explosive. Kaya confetti mo, kaya sunod ako. Kaya na, pero, when you get home, Don, you get home, pag-alarm sa mong alarm, kasi mo unat nagmata sa mong alarm.
So, mata pa ka, nag-alarm na.
Sakto. And then, at the back of the facade that you saw in Bookfest was real people having real
Emotion.
Kasi bakit? Pinakukat ako sa
Sorry.
These are real people facing challenges in life, no? And then, but still, do volunteerism. So, it's amazing and it's such a blessing to see people doing this, no, for the good of the community, for the sake of the greater good, and you know, for the good of the future, no, for the betterment of our governor, Alba.
Sorry.
Happy birthday after this. You were an honor.
See you sa 2020.
Pero collectively lang good. If one business thrives, it has a ripple effect to the community.
Exactly.
People to see other people who share the same values. Na, you know, there's a big blue ocean up there. Competition is okay. And di ba like, nice, similar talents, similar businesses, similar contribution, but it's done in such a way that it's not competition by means of, you know, Europa ng isa, and it's uplifting each other.
Exactly.
Because, again, it's such a big blue ocean. And if one business thrives, it has a ripple effect. You many create jobs. Guys, creates jobs, and whenever you see people who are doing things that they like to do each day, the way they face other people is it makes them kinder, for one. Diba?
Exactly.
Because they like what they do. And kanang niche good ya. Kung ako ka nang ganahan sa iyang ginabuhat, no? Mas dali sa iya i-navigate ang iyang life, mas dali sa iya mag-imagine o ganun pag-improve sa society, nga na. Kay, ganahan mo sa iyang ginabuhat. So, muna siya ang tubag sa what kept me going. Kay, kanang, di ko na kaingon, no? Okay, life is fleeting, yan na, and then atong mga next generation, mga bata. Kanang, kung ang byproduct, sa ato ang pag-volunteer, is to make it a better, or, naman better, di man sa ingon nga ito, spoon feed sa ilaha, kay, you know, hindi na kaingon sa challenges in the future, right? But at least, if they have the option to choose a path where they can thrive, and they can thrive in the sense that they are doing things that they like to do.
Yeah.
No, if that is a byproduct of volunteerism, I would do it over and over and over again.